When you're working in the bay, efficiency and reliability are absolutely critical. And when it comes to something as basic as an oil service, the last thing a technician needs is an unexpected leak or comeback. That's why Fel-Pro created their new oil filter and cap sets. It's everything you need to ensure a fast, leak-free repair in one convenient kit. Built strong and durable using high-quality materials, each set comes with a high-quality filter, cap, and pre-installed O-ring. So there's no need to track down and order multiple parts. Each component is an OE-style replacement, meaning they meet application requirements for fit, form, and function. And each set is rigorously tested, ensuring quality you can count on. With application-specific design and precise fit tolerances, you can be confident you'll get the correct fit for your vehicle and consistent oil pressure every time. No guesswork, just faster turnaround, fewer worries, and satisfied customers. And for technicians like us, that means confidence on every job. For more information about Fel-Pro oil filter and cap sets, or to find your part, visit felpro.com.